If you're watching this video while doing two other things, congratulations, you're the exact person I made it for. Now, if everybody's life runs smoother because you're quietly falling apart, you've been promoted to family CEO, but without the benefits. Today is your intervention. Now, let's say you're the family's Wi-Fi router. Everybody panics when you go down, and nobody asks why your fuse just blew. No judgment here, but I am going to be honest with you. This isn't a time management problem. This is a structure problem. Your family system has accidentally made you the default adult for everything: work, kids, spouse, parents, and it's unsustainable. Let's do a quick check. If this is you, nod along. You're the one who calls the doctor. You track the meds, you handle the emergencies, you update the siblings, you carry the guilt. You're the one who thinks about it at night. And everyone else gets to be busy in the normal way. Now, if that's you, you're not weak, you're not dramatic, you're just trapped in a role. I call it the responsible one. It sounds like a compliment. It isn't. It's a role that slowly deletes you. And the cost isn't just time, it's your patience, your sleep, your health, your marriage bandwidth, your ability to enjoy your kids, and honestly, your sense of self. This tragedy isn't that you're busy. The tragedy is you're becoming a smaller version of yourself. Now, here's how this happens. Families drift toward the person with the highest competence and highest conscientiousness. Over time, competence gets you punished with more responsibility, not because your family is evil, but because, the culture selected you. Excellence and merit are typically rewarded with more responsibility. It's how you excelled in areas where other people failed to flourish. And what got you out of Egypt is not going to get you to the promised land. So here's the intervention part. You are going to stop being the system. Instead, you're going to build one. Step one, stop being the family's shared brain. If you are the only person who knows what's going on, you will be trapped forever. Your first win is not doing more. It's writing it down where others can see it. Open a shared note, a Google Doc, Notes app, whatever's your favorite, and create 4 headings: current status, risks, decisions needed, next actions. If it's not written down, it lives in your nervous system. Step 2, never ask for help again. Help is a vibe. Ownership is a commitment. Stop saying, "Can you help more?" Start saying, "These are the roles, pick one." Here are the 3 roles that cover 90% of the choices. There's medical liaison, finance insurance liaison, and home logistics liaison. Remember this: adults don't help. Adults own. Step 3, install a cadence. Not motivation, not guilt, a cadence. Once a week, 20 minutes, same time, same agenda. Now, the agenda is simple: updates, risks, decisions, next actions. If you don't have a cadence, you will live in permanent reaction mode, and we don't want to do that. Now, at this stage, most of my clients try to explain why this won't work for their family. So let's dig into the top objections. Objection number 1, my siblings won't do it. I hear you, but vague requests create vague responses. Specific ownership with deadlines forces reality. And look, if they refuse, you at least gain some clarity, and clarity is power. Objection 2, it's easier if I just do it. Short term, yeah, that's true. But long term, that's how you're going to collapse. You're going to get adrenal fatigue or suddenly get an autoimmune condition, you name it. Easy is not the same thing as sustainable. Now, objection 3, I don't want conflict. Then I'm going to say something a little gently. You already have conflict. You're just the only one experiencing it internally.
How much they ask of me.
Okay, so here's what you can do today. Send one message. Copy this and send it. Hey team, Mom, Dad's situation has outgrown one-person management. Starting now, we're moving to shared ownership. I'm setting a 20-minute weekly check-in on day time. 3 roles need owners: medical, finance, insurance, and home logistics. Reply by tonight with your role you're taking, and if you don't choose, I'll assign based on availability. Yes, when you send it, it might feel uncomfortable. That's called change. And look, listen, this just isn't about senior care. This is about you not disappearing. You don't need to earn rest by suffering first. Your parents need you steady, not sacrificed like a martyr. The version of you that has passions and energy and laughter, intimacy, that's not selfish. That's your leadership battery. Now, if this hits you in the chest, you're not alone. And you're not failing, you're finally waking up. Click on the link in the description if you want a role list and the 20-minute meeting agenda to put this new knowledge into fast action. And in my next video, I'll show you how to get your parent to accept without a war, because that's usually the part that keeps people trapped at the beginning of the senior care journey.